And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great day.
In our life is going to have those moments when there's sun, right? It's life. We all feel that way.
Have a good week, Sea Lions. Be kind. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
This is Sea Lion leader Lily Sims with this week's announcements. We're all going to the roller rink on Monday night for Project Souk Skate Night. Sea Lion chorus rehearsals on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Walk or bike to school days on Wednesday morning. Meet up with our principals at pavilions or at the dog park on the base on Anchor Way. All submissions for the PTA Reflections contest are due on Friday. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
Each year, the PTA Reflections program offers students a platform to express their unique perspectives and interpretation of a student-created theme. For the 24-25 school year, the theme is Accepting Imperfection, a concept created by a student from San Antonio, Texas. This theme serves as a powerful reminder that our flaws and mistakes are just as much a part of us as our strengths, and are a natural and beautiful part of being human. It's not too late for our McGaw Sea Lions to get involved in PTA Reflections. Just remember, you can do anything that explores your creativity, including dance choreography, music composition, photography, literature, visual arts, and even film production. I hope to see your submission this Friday for PTA Reflections.
We got a raw buck.
Yeah!
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck winner is TK student from Miss Tochioka's class. Congratulations to Aiden Mann. She said that Aiden saw that a friend did not have a workbook, so he went back and got one for him. Thanks so much, Aiden, for noticing and being so helpful. We appreciate you.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Hess wants to say thank you to kindergarten student Ireland Miller. She said that Ireland helped a friend pick up his snack when it was dropped. What a nice friend you are, Ireland. Thanks so much for that raw behavior.
First grade.
Our Rawbuck winner for first grade is from Mrs. Monteleone's class. This student was being responsible and aware in the classroom. Congratulations to Davis Hollingsworth. She said that Davis was a super writer yesterday. He was engaged in his story and eager to share. Thanks so much, Davis. We're proud of you, Rhett. Mrs. Anderson and Mrs. Francisco want to shout out second grader Leandro Martinez. They said that Leandro had an incredible day. He was participating and just working so hard all day long. He was a great example of a responsible, aware, and honorable student in Team Franderson. Way to go, Leandro.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto is so excited for our responsible student, Sophia Conda. She said that Sophia did a great job being the teacher's assistant this week. And let me tell you, everyone needs help, and we appreciate students who do the right thing.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Yuson wants to shout out fourth grader Ryan G. She says that Ryan was an amazing peer towards his classmates by helping those in need. He also has been transitioning from recess consistently. Way to go, Ryan. We're so proud of you and your hard work.
Fifth grade.
Miss Wood and I have always said that a true test of leadership is when you do the right thing when nobody's watching. Well, that's why we wanted to shout out Sebastian Westrick and a whole bunch of other students who are walking their bike when nobody was watching. Way to go, Sebastian. You won the Rawbuck, but so many of you also got praise for doing the same thing. Thanks so much, students, for being leaders on our campus. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!